Hey there, friends. Stephanie Richardson Parker here today, and today we are going to talk about how to clean your stainless steel refrigerator. First, you're going to start by cleaning your entire refrigerator with gentle soap and a soft sponge. We typically like to use Dawn dish liquid soap. And now that your refrigerator is completely clean, we like to use a soft, gentle rag and wipe the remaining soap off of the fridge. Now that your refrigerator is completely clean and the soap is removed, you're going to go ahead and dry it off using a paper towel. Next, you want to use another clean rag to apply stainless steel polish. We like to use Zep stainless steel cleaner. We use a stainless steel cleaner and the rag to coat the entire fridge, followed by using a paper towel for a nice, clean, shiny finish. And there you have it, a nice, clean, and shiny refrigerator. And of course, if you have any cleaning questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Bye now.